Let's start there. It's your boy B Collins. Man, it's been rough. I've been trying to get this project set up and everything. But I mean I wasn't able to do it how I wanted to, but it's here. It's here. So I just wanted to show y'all I got some data to showcase NFL data at that. So we're gonna go in Jupyter notebooks and try to play around with the data. What I want to do, I want to just make a want to like search the data and just only bring up Louisiana players or players who attended Louisiana colleges. So let's do it. All right, you see, I'm in Jupyter notebooks right now. Already, if you go right here, you'll see like I already have my data, all the data I need. But I have to make sure, they in the same directory, so there's no problems with that. Get my kernel. Let me rename this to alright, and I did have my notes already on here. Oops, I thought I did. Oh man. That's not good. Cause I had my notes on here already for what I was supposed to do. But it's okay. I put it backwards. My bad. Alright, as you see here, importing our package name pandas. So from there, then what I like to do here, cause sometimes I don't be remembering, like, I ain't gonna lie, just to make sure I have everything right. And that's why I really had my stuff saved on here. Oops. I had it saved on here. I don't know what happened. It just went away. Like, I guess I was doing too much. So let's just go back to here. And I need a little assistance, so it never hurt to use Chat GDP, what I like to call it. And basically, I had the this is what I'm actually supposed to be looking at, so I could. This will be here go to commercial. You can't watch YouTube too long without a commercial. Everybody know that. It's going a little bit slow because I got too many things running. That's why I say I just like Chat GDP. And that's not what I'm asking for. So you really gotta know what you're asking for when you when you entering these prompts. But that seems like I don't know. Okay, this is what I was using earlier to help me. I kind of should have had my resources lined out. import pandas as PD, then I already have a data frame. What I'm trying to do is just upload my data frame so I could call it kind of like how they have their data, but he kind of created the data instead of already having the data. So there we go. PD. That's what I'm supposed to be using. So, hey, sometimes it happens. You gotta know how to Google, you gotta get what you're looking for, you know. Cause what I'm supposed to do is just this what I want to do. Players underscore data frame is equal to, and then you see I just did that tab. I could have did that and figured it out. CSV. Now let's see. It may not be right because it may not be reading something. Okay. I'll go back to home. Or what I might have to do is put that inside of there. So that way it could already read it. So matter of fact, let's just do everything over. Ooh, I'm nervous, man. My first time really, you know, doing this. And then I'm messing up on the stream. Oh man. Let me see if Chat GPT might have another answer for me. So right here, I'm just gonna input basically the same prompt I have, but just see like where I'm going wrong at, so I could build off of that. Now, what I see, ChatGPT is not like an answer giver; it's more like an answer understander. So, don't just try to put in a prompt and expect the answer, but really try to put in a prompt so you can understand what's going on better. You know, like I might have just be missing quotations because my quotations are not right to read my files. Let's see. No, that wasn't it. Players.csv. Players.csv. He using R, but that's for something else. So was that right? Or just give me 1 second and we gonna get the ball rolling. 1 second, 1 second. But all this is good though, cause you gotta do trial and error to get to the end, especially. It ain't just gonna come to you. You gotta work. You gotta work, 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 work. Give me a little work, 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 work. Mm, y'all forgive me. I swear I had this. I should have put it in my other notepad, cause it just deleted everything like that. Like that's crazy. I'm so hurt. They gonna be like, "Come on, why you trying to teach them? You don't even know how to upload your own files." This is where I should have went. This the first thing I should have went to. So that is exactly how I had it. I just renamed it something different. So, as you see, I just named it players. Okay. So somehow it's not reading. Or maybe I just need to restart my kernel because I did move it from one place to another. Oh, this is so frustrating, but I'm gonna get it. I promise y'all. I'm about to get this. Like, this making me not want to stop nothing. The school finna close at 7. I got like 30 minutes left. Okay, I think I know what I did wrong. PD data frame. Because if I'm saving it as a data frame, I'm not reading it. PD data. Oh, this is so embarrassing. No such file or directory found. Players.csv. You know what? Maybe I just need to start it from in here instead. We give it a little minute. Yes. There you go. See, I ain't had to write. Alright, what I'm missing? String letter. Oh, I forgot my. See, you can't just do it like that. You can't just do it like that. See, I just be messing up sometimes, but everybody mess up, you know. You know, everybody mess up. Don't think like you better than somebody just because you just found the solution fast. It's never that. It's never that. So what we want to do, we just looking for Louisiana players, players who attended Louisiana colleges. So boom, we see how our data is stored in this data frame using pandas. That's their NFL ID, different information about the user. Like Tom Brady went to Michigan. I could do something like players. Excuse me. Excuse me. So that's just the top of the list. That's the bottom. That's why it's called heads, tails. You know, that's where that connection come in at. Excuse me. I'm just a little. Thought it would have had some useful information on that that I could use, but it doesn't look like it. Might have to go back to this. More so on the earlier side. I want to look at a specific area. I want to look at a specific column. So like using SQL in my Jupyter notebooks. Let's see if ChatGPT can help me out. Right. Okay. Then you look at the specific column name using that. All right. Okay. Then you display it. So I could save it as something else for easier access. So that way I could just be working with that Louisiana college data. But first, I need to see what all. I mean, I know all Louisiana colleges, but I don't know. I don't know all the ones that made it to the league. There we go. Let me see, cause I know it's showing like an object. Oh no, not an object. I guess I gotta do print data frame. No. I'll just print. I'll just print. Oh, I really want to see this, but it's showing like. Okay. Hmm. I may not be doing something right though. What's going on? What's going on? Let's see. Hmm. Let me think about this for a minute. If I just want to look at the college name, how can I achieve this? I just store all the columns. He did DF. Okay, he did the DF and then the column line. So I might just be doing too much. Oh no, what happened? Alright, just keep getting stuck right though. I'm just restart my crown and see if that may be an issue. Maybe. Alright, import pandas. Oh, let me just get rid of this. And it's showing me all the colleges now. Okay. It's really not going no more. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. My kernel just stopping after the line, bro. I might need to delete it and try it again. Mm, I want to say, well, the column name is equal to Louisiana. That's why I did it like that. But I might have to do this instead. I gotta remember how to use, no. Hmm. Well, college name is equal to. Matter of fact, let me just do the one I see right now. Okay, so that's not working either. Oh, what if I don't even need this? No. Hmm. At least we can see how many colleges on the list. It's a lot of colleges. Look like players coming just about everywhere. Like they say, if you're good, they will find you. Let's see. Let me X. Shit, I forgot that fast. Players DL brackets. Players DL brackets. Ah, so I had the right idea, but I didn't have it correctly. Okay. Okay, boom. So it's just, but that's still, I don't want to see that many. I can't even look at my list. Let me see. Nah, it's still showing like that. I don't want to see all that. That's too much, and that's limiting my scope. But like, I could do something like that to see. No, I can't even do that. No. Hmm. We're gonna have to get back to this. Cause I think the school finna close down. They gonna kick me out. So it's been a challenge so far, but I bet you next time I get on the stream, it's gonna be way more efficient. Cause I know like what I'm looking for, and it sent me back when I had my stuff. I saved it in a text file, but I couldn't get it. So just if y'all want to know where I'm getting all this data from and how I'm able to do it, this was a competition. It usually starts at like the end of the year. So they finished it, and basically all this data is available. Just about NFL players. The metrics focus on tackling this year. The it's already closed. You see, it started from October to January. The theme was tackling. Some people won, some people didn't. It was a fun event. I didn't participate as much because I was still trying to learn how to really do data analysis. 'Cause it's kind of hard. Not hard, but you got to keep going at it. You got to be consistent. So yeah, I was trying to do my GitHub repository to connect this, but it seems a bit complex right now. I'll try to get that done later. But I'm gonna go ahead and kill the stream. Thank y'all for joining. And if you didn't, thank you for even being here. Maybe some people might check me out next stream. Thank you. Bye bye.